Makakita ra mo sa akong screen? Okay, thank you. Napatay siyam, no? Okay, so our topic for today is all about triple integrals. So, ang triple integrals silbi extension na rin siya sa double integrals. Sa double integrals, naka-encounter tag over rectangular region, over general region, and in polar coordinates. Okay. So here's the illustration between the difference of the two. So last discussion, uh, double integrals. So double integrals, naka-focus lang ta diri sa xy plane. So this is our xy plane. And here, inside the xy plane, diri nato makitaan ang atong region. So some of that region kay, let's say, rectangle. Let's say this one, general region. Next is nakwantag polar coordinates like this one. So, nakafocus lang ang double integrals is within this plane, the xy plane. Diri ra nato makita atong region. Now, inigabot sa triple integrals, xy, atong region, pwede nato makita diri sa xy plane, pwede diri sa zy plane, or sa xz plane. So ang kalahian diri sa triple integrals, we are not looking sa area anymore. We are talking about here volume. Let's say at nana ni siya. Let's say box na ni siya. So box na niya tong pangitaon. Dili na siya region like area nga kanina lang atong pangitaon sa double integrals. So we are talking about volume na nga nanay involvement sa nana siya distansya paingon ni y o paingon ni z. So here is the intuition asa nagikan ang formula for triple integrals. So we define a rectangular box B in 3 dimension. So we have R3. So last time ang atong region is naaraman sa R squared, sa XY plane na raman siya. Now, na siya sa R cube, so 3 dimension. So we define a box B. So we have the variable X, Y, and Z. So we have our X is in the interval AB, and our Y is in the interval CD, and our Z is interval EF. So kung observe this illustration, mo ni atong rectangular box B. So this is our x-axis. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. Recall ta sa double integral, this one. If naatay rectangular region sa double integral, ang atong buhaton dito is to slice this region into many subrectangles. Muna atong gibuhat dito. So, gislice nato siya into many subrectangles, and in that region, magpick tag usa ka subrectangle. And kana nga usa ka subrectangle, ato na siyang gi-project pataas diri sa atong surface. Okay, gi-project nato na siya pataas. And to determine the length of this solid, we pick a point inside that subrectangle. 'Di ba? Nakahinumdum pa mana sa double integral, 'di ba? Mo pick tag point sulod atong gipick nato nga rectangle to determine the length. And to find the width, so we do the Riemann sum. Okay. Here in triple integrals, dili na uh, dili na area atong pangitaon karon kay volume. So consider kaning akong box B, ako siyang slice. Slice na ko siya. Pero ang pag-slice nimo is dili na about area. Maghimo na kag boxes. So kaning sulod sa usa ka box B, puno nimo na siya og inani nga box. Okay, mo ni akong first box. Let's say na ako'y another box. Another box. So that means kaning nga box B nato puno ni siya og mga box. Okay ra, nakuha ra kong pasabot. kaning box B nato puno ni siyag mga box. So okay. So ibutang nato na kaning nga box na siya mga box. So okay. LMN boxes, dagan siya nga boxes. Karon, ang atong buhaton is to pick one box. So suppose kani nga box akong gipili. So ato siyang gi-zoom in. Kani nga box akong gipili. And to continue, once makapili na tag box, mupick tag usa ka point sulod ani nga box. Nganong mupick tag point? To determine the volume inside this box. So mao na ang intuition nato sa triple integrals. Kay unsay pasabot aning we divide the interval AB into L subintervals, we divide CD into M subintervals, and we divide EF into N subintervals. Because from here ni siya. 'Di ba nagkuantag mga box, different boxes, no? Pag-slice nato para mag-create tag box. Observe that from here kani, 'di ba, naman na atong kan. From here, x man ni siya. Naa siya distansya paingon ni y and also na siya distansya paingon ni z. And this box is one of the boxes man ni siya. Therefore, kung kani nga box nako mapuno ni inani ka mapuno siya inani nga box, that means ang AB nako sa x-axis na ako'y L subintervals, also my M, and also my N. That means daghan kay ni siyang boxes. Then kani is gipick nato siya as one of the boxes to determine the volume of this box. So gitawag nato ni siya BIJK. Then the rectangular box subdivided into LMN boxes. So gitawag nato siya BIJK. So the BIJK located to this one. The x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And to determine the volume of this BIJK, so we pick a sample point. Okay, we pick a sample point inside this box. Okay, so itawag nato ni siya. Then we see that the volume of this one is just equal to this one. The delta x, delta y, and the delta z. The areas are with respect to x, y, and z. So Silby, you are looking for the volume of this box. Then we can form the triple Riemann sum. So this is the triple Riemann sum of this one. And to generate the established formula for the triple integrals, you take the limit of this one. Take the limit of this one as L, M, N goes to infinity, then you have this definition. So the triple integral of a function f of x, y, z over a rectangular box B is defined by the following. So, mo ni ang formula nato for the triple integrals. Okay ra, nakuha ra ang intuition asa gikan ang formula nato? Nakasubay ra? Okay, let's continue. So mo daw ni ang formula. So, in double integrals, we have Fubini's theorem, the stronger form. Also, we have Fubini's theorem in triple integrals. So, if we have fxyz is continuous on a rectangular box, so this is our x, y, and z. Then, we have the following formula. So now, ang dx, dy, dz nimo, with respect sa iyang limit of integration, AB, dy nimo, CD, and your dz is e to the f. Ang question is, pwede ba ka nato siya ma-interchange ang order of integration? Yes, pwede ra nato siya ma-interchange as long as ang iyang limit of integration mo follows. Kung nag-change ka ni dx, dy, your AB, CD sad mag-interchange. So, since naman tay tulo ka variable, no, dx, dy, dz. So naa siya 6 combination. So we have 6 formulas nga ma-generate if ganahan ta mag-interchange. So we have the following. We have the 6 formulas if ganahan ta mag-change sa order of our integration. We have dx, dy, dz, dx, dz, dy, dy, dz, dx, dy, dx, dz, dz dx dy, and dz dy dx. So, maka-interchange lamang ta kung ang gihatag nga definition sa atong box no is rectangular. Timan na to ha. If natay AB cross CD and EF. So, mo ni ang pinaka-importante yun. If inani ang gihatag sa atong given, ikaw na magbuot unsa nga order of integration ang imong gamiton. So asa ka komportable. Basta ang gihatag lang is A, B, C, D, E, F. Basta rectangular box siya. So for example, we need to evaluate the integral x squared yz dv, where our rectangular box B defined by this one. Our x is in the interval -2 and 1. Our y is the interval 0 and 3, and our z is in the interval 1 and 5, as shown below. So this is the rectangular box. Now, ang question is, unsaon na to siya pag-evaluate? Unsa nga order of integration ang atong gamiton? Since wa man siya naghatag kung unsa ang order of integration, ang imong buhaton is to pick one formula out of those 6 formulas na to. So let's suppose nga nagpick tag dy, dx, dz. So, pwede rata magbuot-buot unsa nga order of integration basta mo follow sa ang iyang limit of integration. So, we have dy. Our y is bounded by 0 to 3. So, that's why we have 0, 3. dx, -2, 1. dz, 1, 5. So, first thing to do, you need to evaluate the inner integral with respect to y. So, you have this one. Then, evaluate when y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So you have this answer. Then, next is nanakay double integrals. So evaluate and integrate with respect to x. So you have this one. And evaluate when x is -2 and 1, you will arrive to this single integral. Then, integrate with respect to z. So your final answer is 162. So dili lang nako i-show ha nga yung detail jud nga pag-substitute na to sa value ni x is 1, value is -2. Kabalo naman mo na. So, you can verify also if maganaan mo, i-calculate na lang ninyo. Okay. If dy, dx, dz imong gamiton, the answer is 162. So, if man ako, how about dx, dy, dz? So, the answer is 162. So, let's try another order of integration. Okay, for this one, ang atong order of integration is dx, dz, dy. Okay, pag-change nato sa order of integration, nag-change sad ang iyang limit of integration. So, ang x nimo in the interval -2 and 1, so you have this limit of integration, and your dz and dy. So, ang iyong buhaton, integrate the inner integral with respect to x, then evaluate when x is -2 and 1. After that, you will arrive to this double integral. Then integrate with respect to dz. Then you have this one. Then evaluated when z is equal to 1 and z is equal to 5, you will arrive to this single integral. And if you evaluate this one, you will arrive the same answer, 162. Bisag unsa pa ang order of integration nimo, then basta lang ang box is defined by this one, rectangular box. That means you can change the order of integration. And your answer is parihara. Okay ra, nakaka-follow ra mo? Okay, let's proceed. Another example. So, evaluate the triple integral 8xyz dv. Now, ang box niya is rectangular mangyapon. So, we can choose any of those 6 formulas, no? So we have dz, dx, dy. So first, integrate with respect to z. So you have this one. And evaluated when z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. So you have the double integrals for xy, dx, dy. Next, evaluate with respect to x. So you have 2x squared y evaluated when x is 2 and x is 3. Then after that, you will arrive to the single integral, and if you do the integration of this one, the answer is 15. So same ra gyud ang answer, same ra gyud ang process. Ang kalahian lang is triple integral na siya. Na siya involvement sa variable nga z and dz. Okay. Now, The volume of the three-dimensional region E is given by the integral. If ang question is inani, find the volume, ang formula nimo is laos na lang mo ani. If the question is find the volume, so dv is just equal to dx dy dz. So if you can interchange this one if the given is rectangular box. Now, if ang pangutana lang is evaluate the integral, tagaan naman mo function ana diri nga tapad niya. Pero if volume lang, automatic kani nga formula niyong gamiton. And the order of integration depende kung unsa ang gihatag nga definition sa imong box. Okay, now in triple integrals, this one, we have three possible cases. So unsa ni sila nga mga three possible cases? This one. So we have the first case. So we have x, y, z, x, y, z, here, x, y, and z. Okay, first case. Sa first case, what if your region naa daw diri? Okay, let's say this is your region. Your region is in the xy plane. Muna ang first case nga mahitabo. Like, we need to find the volume, let's say, box ni siya. So, we need to find the volume of this box where our region is in the xy plane. Ang second case, if our region here, say, our region is in this one. So, this one. Okay, so our region here is naa diri sa YZ plane. That means, naglutaw siya, no? Wala siya diri sa XY, kundi naana lang. Ang word lang gamitin is napilit siya sa YZ plane, ang akong region. Okay. Next nga case, if my region, say, naa siya sa XZ plane. So napilit siya sa XZ plane. So karon kaning tulo naa siya lain-lain nga formula. Na siya different way how to solve for this one. So first case, second case, third case. So sa first case nato, atong region, so ang ubos sa region nato is nasa XY plane, and the second possible case, our region is in the YZ plane, and our third case is naa siya sa XZ plane. So start muna sa XY plane. If our region is located in the XY plane. So we have the triple integrals over general region. Let's now move on to the more general three-dimensional regions. So we have three different possibilities for a general region. First, we have the first case, the first possibility. So observe this, the region D. Our region D is located in the XY plane. So here, kani siya XY. So na siya sa XY plane. Since sa triple integrals is we're looking for the volume. So naagyo na siya yung mga plane nga involvement. So we have this one. So our Z daw is bounded by U1XY, U2XY. So unsa ni sila si U1 and si U2XY? So they are planes. So later on, we will encounter example kung unsa ni sila. So this U1XY, U2XY kay mga plane na siya. And we define this rectangular box E as this one. XY, so the XY coordinates is in our region, region D. And our Z is in the interval U1XY, U2XY. So tanaw na to, ang interval sa atong Z starting from the bottom to top. Kung unsa ang bottom nga plane, mao imong U1, ang unsa imong upper nga plane, mao imong U2. So question, nganong Z? Okay, since ang atong region is naa sa XY plane, unsa ang variable ang wala niya? Di ba Z? So kung XY plane ang rimong region, your integration, ang imong integration mag-start og DZ. That's why Z siya. Basta timanan na to. If your region is in the XY plane, your integration mag-start siya sa DZ. Okay. Muna ang first nimo yung isolve. Di na ka mag-change of order of integration. Nga naman, naman sa XY plane siya. Dili naman ni rectangular box ang atong gihisgutan diri. So, mag-start tag DZ. Ang question, unsa ning DE? Di ba? Ang DA mao ni ang double integral. So, ang double integral pwede nimo ma-encounter using polar coordinates, the vertical and the horizontal. Magamit gyapon nato sila. Okay. So, we have provided some examples. So, mao ni ang formula. So, mag-start tag DZ. And our limit of integration of DC, we have u1xy, u2xy. Okay, so first example. Evaluate the triple integral 2x where E is the region under the plane 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 6 that lies in the first octant. Okay, wala pa tayo idea kung ang atong region ba kay naa sa xy plane. Okay, pero naa siya hint gihatag. Ang iyang gihint nga ihatag is first octant. If mo ingon tag octant, ang octant is maura na diri sa 3D dimension. This is our x, this is our y, and this is our z, di ba? Kung sa kon lang this one, the Cartesian plane, if 2D lang ta ba sa kon lang ta, r squared, di ba? Mo man itong first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Pag abot nato sa 3D, tawgon na nato na siya octant. Mo ni ang illustration dere. So, sa XY plane nimo, sa positive XY plane nimo, mao na ang first octant. So, mo ni siya first octant, second octant, third octant, fourth octant, 5 octant, 6 octant sa luyo, 7 and 8. Okay? Negative ba ni dere? Negative x, negative y, and this one is negative z. Nakuha ra ang kuan sa octant. Unsay pasabot sa octant? Naka-follow ra mo? No, ang octant is maura na ang mga kumbaga quadrant sa 3D dimension. Okay. Ana siya ang region daw nato naa sa first octant. So that means we can use the case 1. So our region is located in the XY plane. Silbi naa siya diri. Diri nato makita ang atong region. Okay, first thing to do nato is to plot this plane. Unsa kay dagway ani nga plane? Kanya naman siya that lies in the first octant under the plane. So ubos siya sa kaninga plane. Okay. So we plot the plane 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 6. That lies in the first octant. Okay. Sa pagplot nako, use ko Desmos. Okay, mo ni kaning blue mao ni ang plane 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 6. Pero ano man siya, lies in the first octant. So from here, mawala na ni, makat na ni kay ang gusto ra man nako is this one, di ba? Mura man ni xy, mura man na akong gusto. So kaning ubos mawala. So this one ato siyang i-redraw paingon dere. Now, unsa asa imong region? Your region is this one. Nakuha ra ninyo? This one is your region. Ano man siya dito? Your region is under the plane. So this is your plane nga blue. So under the plane, so this is your region nga naa sa first octant. Okay. So ato siyang gikuan. After nato makat, we have the second illustration. Now, ang region nimo is ako siyang gi-zoom. Ako siyang gisulod sa XY plane. Okay, sa 2D. Okay, so this one, mo ni ang dagway sa imong region kung naa siya sa XY plane. Nakita ra ninyo? Class? So silbi gikuha nako ang region kani siya, ako siyang gi-zoom paingon diri. So mo ni siya imong XY plane. Now, what is the equation of the line kaning red? Mo na next question ato. Since naa naman siya sa XY plane, So gamito na to tong plane kani atong plane. Di ba? XY plane naman ta. So we let z is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Then 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Divide both sides by 3. So we have y 2 minus 2/3 x. So the equation of this line is y minus 2/3 x plus 2, or x is equal to negative 3 half y plus 3. Now, ang imong region, diri na sad, unsay nindot gamito nato, vertical or horizontal. Balik na sad ta diha because magamit man nato ning region nato sa DA. Okay, let's try, di ba? Vertical. Pwede sad ka maka-vertical kay maigo man nimo imong x is equal to 0 and y is equal to this one. Pwede sad ka horizontal. Your horizontal is y is equal to 0 and your function x. Now, we can establish the formula. Okay. Now we need the limits of integration so we can establish our formula. Since we are under the plane and in the first octant, we have the following limits for z. Okay, ang question is, nganong kani ang limit ni z? Di ba? Ang region nato naa siya sa xy plane. Therefore, our start of our integration is with respect to z. That's why we have z here. Now, nganong 0? Di ba? Mao man ni ang u1xy and u2xy. Okay. Balik na sa graph. Ang u1xy is the plane man. Pero ang gihatag raman nato is kani under the plane 2x plus 3y. So this one is our upper part and our z is just 0. So nag-start man kag z sub 0 because naman siya sa first octant. Your z is equal to 0 and your u2xy is kani nga plane. That's why you have this one. Nakuha ra sa gikan ang z 0 or z is in the interval 0, 6 minus 2x minus 3y. Nakuha ra ni ang z na to. Okay, next. Since nakuha naman nato ang z, how about katong region nato under the plane? Katong naghigda sa xy plane. So, we can integrate the double integral over d using either of the following set of inequalities. Here, this is the type 1. Recall ta dito sa double integral. This is the type 2. So here, sa type 1, we are given this one. And the type 2, the horizontal. So you have these given limits of integration. Now, we can establish our formula. Since our region in the xy plane, start tag dz. And the limit of integration of dz, 0 to 6 minus 2x minus 3y. Then, we have the dA. So, dA, mao na ni gatong region nato nga double integral. Okay, so integrate with respect to z, we have 2xz, where our z is equal to 0 and 6 minus 2x minus 3y. Then, evaluate. So, you have this double integral. Then, ang atong gipili is dy dx man. So, the type 1. So, type 1, here's the limits of integration of type 1. With respect to y, we have 0 to negative 2/3 x plus 2, and our dx is 0 and 3. Then, integrate with respect to y and evaluate when y is equal to 0 and negative 2/3 x plus 2, you will arrive to the single integral. And integrate with respect to x and evaluate when x is 0 and 3, the answer is 9. Okay ra, naka-follow ra mo? Ka-follow ra? Next example. Example number 4. Evaluate the triple integral of the function 5x minus 3y over the tetrahedron bounded by the plane x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So, wala tayo idea kung asa gyud siya nga plane mo higda atong region, no? Okay, so now gitagaan tag plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1. And if we graph this one, mao ni ang result. Okay, so we have Now, by looking sa graph, it means ang region nato is naa siya sa XY plane nato. Therefore, we can say nga mag-start ko dz when I'm doing that integration. Now, question, since ana man siya, ang over the tetrahedron bounded by the plane x sub 0, y0, z0. That means naa siya diri. Okay, therefore, ang imong region is kani siya. Okay, kani atong region. Now, kung atong tanawon jud ang volume sa tibok region, so kanira ang importante. So ato siyang i-illustrate diri. Mao ni siya. So pag-cut nako diri, matanggal man ni siya, and also this one. So kani siya, ato siyang gi-zoom out. Okay. So this one, mao niya kung tetrahedron, where our tetrahedron z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. You just transpose this one. You're looking for the z. Okay. Now, ato sang i-zoom out kani atong region ri sa ubos. So this is the look of our region. So from here, nakita nato asa gikan ang formula nga y is equal to 1 minus x. Since na naman siya sa 2D, so ang buhaton nato, you let z is equal to 0. So you have x plus y is equal to 1. So you have y is equal to 1 minus x. So this is the formula for the blue line. Now, by looking to this one, you can do vertical, you can do horizontal. So you pick vertical. And from here, we can describe the solid region tetrahedron as follows. So your x is in the interval 0, 1, and your y, so mo man ni ang when do the vertical rectangle, ang unang maigo sa ubos is y is equal to 0, and upper part, the function, y minus x. And your z, so z is equal to 0 man. So mag-start ka sa 0 paingon sa upper plane nato nga 5 x plus y plus z is equal to 1. And we're looking for z man, that's why 1 minus x minus y. Na-follow ra? After that, since complete na ta sa details, so we can establish the formula. Okay, so establishing the formula, since ang atong region is in the xy plane, therefore, our start of integration is dz. Okay, so dz, the limit of integration of dz is this one, 0, 1 minus x minus y, and our dy, 0 to 1 minus x, our dx, 0 to 1. Therefore, you integrate first with respect to dz and evaluate when z is equal to 0 and 1 minus x minus y. So you will arrive to this double integral. Then, ang gipili man nimo is vertical. We have dy dx. So integrate with respect to y, and you have this one. Then evaluate when y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 minus x, you will arrive to this single integral. And after you integrate and evaluate when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, the answer is 112. Okay ra? Mao to ang first case na to. Good sila, good sila. Follow pa mo. Okay, dapat jud follow na niyo nun. Kay sa next slides no, kay medyo kuti-kuti na sa case. Next, we have the second case. If our region is located in the YZ plane. So napilit natong region sa YZ plane. Now, this is our YZ plane. Now, nag-introduce na sa siya U1YZ and U2YZ. Sama na siya. So, ang U1 nato is the back, okay, let's say, the back plane, and the U2 nato is the front plane. Okay. Since naaman siya sa YZ plane, so your start of integration, kung unsa ang variable nga wala. That's why, mag-start kag dx. Because your region in the YZ plane, that means your integration start with dx. And your dx, the limit of integration of your dx is the u1yz. So u1yz, that means the back plane, and the u2yz is the front plane. And your dA here, mo dinasad ka magamit og polar coordinates or the vertical, and the horizontal. Okay, provide the examples. Evaluate 15z dv where E is the region bounded between the two planes. So 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4 and 4x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 20. That is in the front of YZ plane. See, since YZ plane naman, so ang atong integration with respect to x bounded by this one. Okay, since YZ plane man, so kaning nga kuan ato na siyang i-convert daan with respect to x. So this one, so we have 2x is equal to 4 minus y minus z divided by 2 both sides. So we have x 2 minus y over 2 minus z over 2. Also this one, so we have 4x 20 minus 4y plus, minus 2z minus 2z. So divide both for both sides, so we have x 5 minus y minus 1 half z. Okay, ato na siyang gilimpyuhan daan. Now, so gamiton ta ni later on. Okay, now, since naaman sa ang region nato sa YZ plane, ato sang ila-ilahon unsay dagway ni 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4 and 4x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 20. So ilalahon sa nato para ma-picture out nato unsa ang dagway sa graph, unsa nga region natong gipangita. Okay, here is the graph. Okay, no? Medyo pa na siya, complicated kay tanawon. Pero ato siyang i-dissect o ginahinay, no? Okay. Ang 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4, kaning red. Ang 4x plus 4y plus 2z, kaning blue. Ang 2y squared, kanang green, and the violet is the square root of 4y. Ang question man niya, ang gihaingon niya, ang region daw nato bounded by the two plane and the 2z. Okay, that means ang atong gipangita is kani siya. So mao na ang porma sa atong gipangita. Pero dili ni mao diri nga naa diri siya. Naa man siya sa ZY plane. So silbi naa pa ni siya didto na hitabo. Silbi naa siya diri nga intersection. Intersection man siya sa bounded man siya sa red and blue. Therefore, naa siya diri na hitabo. Nakikita ra ninyo? Class, nakita ra? No, kung atong ilok like ato siyang tan-awon paubos kani siya. Tan-awon tani paubos, so i-move na to ang graph kadali, mao ni siya atong gipangita. Kaning na circle. So kani atong gipangita. This one. Kay bounded man siya ni red ug blue. Okay, kani siya atong gipangita. Suppose since kani ra man atong gipangita, tanggalon nato na siya. So we have the following. Nakita ra ninyo? Gikan diri, this one mo man ni siya. Mo man ni atong region. Kung na siya sa napilit siya sa YZ plane. So therefore, that kani siya ang ubos ani niya kani siya. So ato siyang ibilin, tanggalon nato ang mga di nato kinahanglan. So we have this one. Okay. First illustration, di ba? Mao man ni katong front nga nakita nato kanina, kani siya. Since naaman siya naaman siya plane kaning yellow, mao ni ang front plane nato. Pag-cut niya, mawala sad ni. Therefore, we have this one, the second illustration. Nakita ra ninyo? Nakita ra ninyo, class? Ang pasabot na to? Okay. Now, since ang atong region naaman sa XY plane, so naa siya diri. Na siya diri nga part ang atong XY plane. Now, so this is our front plane and the back plane. Now, this is the region nga atong gusto. So ato siyang ato siyang ipaklaro sa third illustration. So this one na siya sa YZ plane. So mo ni ang illustration nato. So ato siyang gi-zoom out. So here we have the corresponding region in the YZ plane. So ato siyang gipakita in the two coordinates plane. Question is, nganong Y diri, nganong Z diri? Ah, di ba? If naa nata sa two coordinates, pwede ra ni siya Y is equal to X and Z is equal to Y. Then we can proceed like unsa atong gamiton, the vertical or horizontal. Pwede ta mag-vertical, pwede ta mag-horizontal. Okay, now we establish our formula. For this problem, the problem statement tells us that the bounded region D is in the YZ plane. That means our start of integration is with respect to X. That's why in the first part sa atong problem, ato na siyang gibungkag. That's why we have this one. Our X is in the interval of this one. Here, this is our U, YZ. This is our U2, YZ. Ang U1YZ nato is the back plane. Kani siya. The green part and the U2YZ nato is the yellow part, the front plane. Okay ra? Nakuha na ninyo asa nato gikuha ning interval niya. Kaning 2 minus 1 na y because ato na siyang gi-convert diri pa lang daan. Mo ni siya. Mo ni siya. Therefore, na-establish nato ang interval sa atong x. Now, since na-establish na nato ang interval ni x, we can partially set up our formula. So, set up na nato ang formula. Since naman siya sa YZ plane, our integration start with dx. So, the limit of integration of dx is given by this one. Okay. Question, how about the limit of integration of our dA, the region in the YZ plane? So, you have this one. Next, we'll need the limits for D. So, we can finish setting up the integral. So, here our region D nga nasa YZ plane. Diba? Pwede na to siya may mong Y is equal to X and Z is equal to Y. Di ra na mag-matter. Okay. Ang gusto nato vertical. Okay. Pag vertical, we know that in vertical, dapat dy dx. But in this case, we have z and y. Therefore, we have dz dy. Okay ra? Follow ra ni? dz dy. Pag vertical na to. So, we have dz dy. So, unsa ang iyang lower function nga naigo? So, we have 2y squared. Upper niya is square root of 4y. And my y is from, y means here is the x, so 0 to 1. Therefore, we can finally establish the formula. So dx dz dy with their corresponding limit of integration, then we can solve the integral. So first, with respect to dx. So with respect to dx, we have this one. Evaluated when our x is equal to this limit of integration, so you will arrive to this double integral. Then let's do the z integration. So evaluated when z is equal to 2y squared and 4 square root of 4y, you will arrive to this single integral. And evaluate with respect to y, then your answer is 49/2. Okay ra? Naka-follow ra? Follow ra? How about the others? Okay na. Sige. Next example. So next example, we need to determine the volume. Now, we are looking for the volume. Since we're looking for the volume, the formula is this one. This is our R dV. Let's see. That lies behind the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 8 and in front of the region yz plane. That means yz man, then our start of integration with respect to x, dx ta. That is bounded by z, 3 halves square root of y, and z is equal to 3/4 y. Since YZ plane start tag dx, so ato na siyang i-convert daan. So we have x 8 minus y minus z. Okay. And the graph of this x plus y plus z is equal to 8 is this blue plane. Okay. And our z, 3 halves square root of y is this green. And next is the violet. Ano naman siya nga? That lies behind the plane. So, behind na niya. So, luyuan niya. So, this one, ato na ni siyang ikat. Matanggal na siya. So, therefore, ang plane nako, ang akong region na adiri, napilit siya adiri sa XY plane. Kanis diri nga part. Okay, nakita ninyo? So, na-adiri akong plane, nga region. I mean, na-adiri akong region na pilit sa ZY plane. Okay. So, here's the other illustration. So, this is our plane. Then, makat man siya because we are looking to the volume that lies behind this plane. So, ang luyo ani niya. So, pag-cut na ko niya, so muna ni ang result after. Oh, so, ang observe that ang front pa lang gani katong sobra sa gikatan inani ang dagway. So imagine if transparent atong pagtan-aw inani ang dagway nga nipilit diri sa akong YZ plane. Therefore, ako siyang gipagawas. So you have this one. So mao ni ang dagway sa imong region. So but in this case na siya sa 2D coordinates. So we have y and z. So just similar sa previous slide, you treat this as y is equal to x and z is equal to y. And from here, you can use vertical, you can use horizontal. Okay, now we can establish our formula. So here are the limits for each of the variables. So we pick again the vertical one. So we have 0 to 4. Ang y na to is from 0 to 4. And our z, so gihatag na ni, our z is already given. And our x, since naaman siya sa yz plane, so your integration start with dx. That's why we have 0. Anong 0 man? Because usara man ka plane ang giyang gihatag. So the upper, the front plane raman. So ang luyo niya, it means z is equal to 0. Therefore, you have this one. Your x is in the interval u1, our 0 here is the u1yz, and this 8 minus y minus z is the u2yz. Now, complete na ta sa details, we can establish our formula. Since you are looking for the volume, so automatically dv rata. Okay. So, integrate with respect to x. So, the x raman siya. So, we have this one. Integration niya, d is equal to x, evaluated 0, 8 minus y minus z dA. So, evaluated when x is equal to 8 minus y minus z, so you have this one. Double integrals na siya since gipick man nato is vertical one, so we have this limit of integration of dz. Then, integrate with respect to z and evaluate when z is equal to 3y4, 3 squared y over 2, and you will arrive to this single integral. And integrate with respect to y and evaluate when y is equal to 0 and 4, the volume is 49 over 5. Okay ra, naka-follow ra mo? So wala ra gyud nako gi-show no, yun sa nato pag-compute kay pwede ra gyud ninyo makalculate din. If ganahan mo, inyo siyang isolve si check. And I know kaya ra kay na ninyo. Next, the third case. So, okay. Wala ra question sa first case and second case na sabtan ra. Naka-follow ra mo no? Okay. For the third case, how about if our region in the XZ plane? Here, our region is located in the XZ plane. That means our start of integration is with respect to y. Okay. And also, we have u1xz and u2xz. So our u1 is the back plane and the u2xz is our front plane. So similar to the case 2. Okay. So here is the formula. Then consider this example. So we need to evaluate 12y minus 8x where E is the region behind the plane y is equal to 10 minus 2z and in front of the region of xz plane. Therefore, xz plane, mag-start tag dy. Bounded by z is equal to 2x, z is equal to 5, and x is equal to 0. Ang atong plane is naka-form naman sa y, so no need na nato i-convert. Now, atong tanahon, unsa kaha ni siya? Unsay dagway ni 10 minus 2z? So 10 minus 2z is the green line. Is the green, kaning green color. Ana siya, behind. So luyo aning green. Okay, check na ta nga luyo aning green. So dapat luyo aning green. This one, ato agarohan na, luyo aning green. Then z is equal to 2x. Ang z is equal to x kaning may pagka-brown. Z is equal to 2x kaning nga brown. Then z is equal to 5 kaning violet. And x is 0 is kaning gray. Since ang region nato naaluyo ani sa akong green, that means from here wala na ni siya. Kani starting diri. Mawa ni siya. Di nato ni siya magamit. Kutob dira pasaka, matanggal siya. Nakita ra niyo? Wala ra siya. So nag-focus ta sa luyuan niya. Okay ra, nakuha ra? Okay, since nag-focus ta sa luyo niya. So i-move nato kadali atong graph. So this one. So we are looking for this one. Luyo man siya sa green and below sa z is equal to 5 kaning violet. That means kani atong pangitaon. So unsa kani siya? Pero dapat siya is napilit man siya sa akong xz plane. So change angle ta, tanaw na to. Kani siya. Ang luyo ani niya. Kani siya. Bounded ba siya sa z is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and this z is equal to 2. So this one. So mo ni ang atong pangitaon. Nakuha ra ninyo, nakasubay ra mo? Okay. So since kanira man atong pangitaon, tanggalon na nato ning uban. Kuhaon na nato ni siya. So we have this one. So pagtanggal adtong uban, mo na ni ang remaining nato nga gusto natong pangitaon. So by looking to this illustration, nakita nato nga naa siya diri sa xz plane. So the region is this one. Kaning luyo niya. So, ang iyang foundation. So ato siyang i-zoom out, gipagawas nato siya, mao ni siya ang region nga atong gustong mahibaw-an. So here, nakita nato nga xz na sad siya. So z here, you let z is equal to y. Okay, since here, ang gihatag raman nato is the u2yz, the front plane, kaning yellow. Ang atong back plane is just 0. Y is equal to 0. So, we can establish the formula. Therefore, we have the following limits for y, the back plane and the front plane. Therefore, we can partially set up the triple integrals. So, start na to dy. dy ta because our region is in the xz plane. That's why we start with dy. Okay ra, naka-follow ra mo? Okay, proceed na ta. Next, we'll need the limits for d. So adto na ta sa region nato nga napilit sa xz. So here, we have the type 1. And here, we have the type 2. Okay, so sa type 1, di ba, vertical. So, our unsang function ang naigo sa below, so we have 2x and z is equal to 5. We have this one. And our x from here, 0 to 5 over 2. So this one. Next, we have the type 2. Sa type 2, create a horizontal. So we have 0 and 1/2 z. So we have this one. And 0 to 5. This is our z, 0 to 5. So we have type 1, type 2. So bisag sa atong piliyon ana sa pagkuan sa atong dA. Now, suppose gipick nato ang dx dz. So we do the horizontal one. Okay, the horizontal one, then we can establish the final form of our formula. So here is the final form. So since we pick the horizontal, start tag dx. So our dx is integrated from 0 to 1 half z, and our dz from 0 to 5. Therefore, we can proceed by evaluating the integral. So start with integrating with respect to y, and evaluate when y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10 minus 2z. So you will arrive to this double integral. Next, do the x integration. So you do the x integration, evaluate when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 half z, you will arrive to this 1. Then you can simplify it. So this is the final form for the single integral. Then next to that, you need to do the z integration. So here is the z integration, and evaluate when z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 5. Then the final answer is 3125 over 6. Okay ra? Naka-follow ra mo? Next example. So for the next example, we need to evaluate the square root of 3x squared plus 3z squared dv, where E is the solid bounded by y is equal to 2x squared plus 2z squared and the plane y is equal to 8. Now, ang gihatag is a solid bounded by 2x squared plus 2z squared. So from here, nakita nato nga, okay, naa siya sa akong xz plane. So my integration start with respect to y. So now, unsa ang dagway niya? Sa 2x squared plus 2z squared. So the graph of that one is kaning, let's say, kaning red. So mura siya bullet nga ni igo sa papel, ana na lang. So ang y plane nako is kaning blue. Now, since ana man siya bounded by these two plane. So bounded by the plane and the solid one. So cancel na siya. Wala na ni siya inig cut sa akong y is equal to 8. So ang mahibili na lang nato this one here. So kaning x ni siya, this one mabili nato, then na siya taklob kaning plane nato nga y is equal to 8. Therefore, ato siyang i-zoom out, mao na ni ang final nga dagway niya. So from here, naka-observe ka nga, circle siya, 'di ba? Circle siya. Karon, since circle man siya, mas nindot gamiton ang polar coordinates. So, our region is we can use the polar coordinates. Now, the region D in the XZ plane can be found by standing in front of this solid, and we can see that D will be a disk in the XZ plane. That means we can find the equation of the disk by setting the elliptic paraboloid and the plane equal. Ano man? Because this one, ang 2x squared ug 2z squared, gihatag ta nga y na siya. Y is equal to 2x squared plus 2z squared, and y is equal to 8. Pareha sila nga y. Ato siyang iset nga equal. So, pag set na to nga equal sila, then we can simplify divided by 2 both sides. So we have x squared plus z squared is equal to 4. Therefore, naada ko'y circle dito. And we know that the radius of this one is equal to 2. The square root of 4 is 2, and the radius. So this is the radius. So na naka-idea sa imong radius, 0 to 2. Okay, kompleto na ka na kay 0 to 2. And we know that if circle siya, ang iyang theta kay 0 to 2 pi. Okay. This region, as well as the integrand, both seems to suggest that we should use something like polar coordinates. That's what we do. However, we are in the XZ plane, and we've only seen polar coordinates in XY plane. So, di na siya problema kay we can treat Z as Y. So, the conversion is the same. X is equal R cosine theta, and Z is equal to R sine theta, and leads to this formula. X squared plus Z squared is just equal to R squared. So si Z lang nimo is giilisdan lang nimo Y. Now, we can establish the limit of the variables that we'll need for this integral. So, here, our Y. So sa our Y, this is our U1 XZ. Here, our 8 is U2 XZ. Okay, ang U1 nato is this is the katong solid bounded the backplane. Okay, the backplane. Tanaw na to. Di ba? Mo ni siya ang luyo. Ang front niya is kaning y is equal to 8. That's why the interval of y is this one. 2x squared plus 2z squared and 8. Next, the radius. So we have already know the radius 0 to 2 and the theta is 0 to 5. Now, you can establish the formula. Since the region is in the xz plane, mag-start tag dy. Pero basin mangutana mo, sir, nganong pag-establish nimo sa dy, wala nimo gi-convert daan into polar coordinates. Okay, ang tubag ana because sa ma-convert lamang ang polar coordinates didto na sa ma-double integral na. Dito na if we are looking na sa atong region. Okay ra? Naka-follow ra? Since naa pamanta sa first integration with respect to y pamanta. So, di sa ta nato i-convert. Okay. With respect to y, integrate with respect to y, so you will have this one. And after that, so evaluate when y is equal to 2x squared plus 2z squared and y is equal to 8, you have this one. Okay. Now, double integral na. Here, in this part, you can start converting this into polar coordinates. Okay, so we convert this one. So this is the result after we integrate with respect to y. Okay, we know that x squared plus z squared is equal to r squared. So you have this one. And 8 minus 2r squared. And r squared, square root of r squared ang mabili na lang kay r. That's why we have square root of 3, 8 minus 2r squared. Then distribute r. So we have square root of 3 times 8r minus 2r cubed. Therefore, we can establish the double integrals now with respect to the polar coordinates. So we have this one. And dA is equal to r dr d theta. Now, integrate first with respect to r. Then evaluate when r is equal to 0 and to 2. You have this one. Square root of 3 times the integral of 1 to 8, 15 d theta, where our theta from 0 to 2 pi. And the integral of this one, constant, so we have 1 to 8 over 15 theta, evaluated when theta is equal to 0 and 2 pi, you have this answer. Nakuha ra? Okay, my question now. Okay, diba? Ato nang na-illustrate ang 3 cases. Okay. Unsay kalahian gani, no? Mangutana ko ba? If nakarikuan mo, nakahinumdum dayon mo, unsay kalahian nato sa tulo ka cases? If ang akong region na sa XZ, YZ, and XY, unsa akong unahon pag-integrate? Sige, ikuan daw, i-recall daw tong tulo ka case. Kinsa may mo volunteer diya? Ikaw, Kieron. Bisag, Kieron. Nahinumduman lang mo. Tawaan kang Jan Antonio. Sige, kinsa. Anyone? Katong 3 cases na to, ana lang. If ang akong region naa sa XY plane, unsa nga variable ko magsugod og integrate kana. For XY sir kay Z ang unahon. For YZ sir kay X. Then yes. So thank you John. So we have for XY sir kay Z ang unahon, for YZ sir kay X nya, for XZ kay Y. So muna ang kalahian sa tulo ra gyud nga cases. So no, laylay silang formula no. So pero nag-agad ra sa variable. So far okay pa mo, okay pa? Okay. Next topic. We have kansa break sa tag 1. Balik ta 1:30 water break sa ta. 1:30 balik 1:30. This is the last topic na lang for our final exam. Okay, break sa ta. Okay, balik na ta. Okay, so we have triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, so ang intuition na nino sa triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates is just an extension of the double integrals in polar coordinates. In cylindrical coordinates, no, kay nag-introduce na sa diri og z and dz. Okay, so recall that double integrals in polar coordinates, nag-talk lang siya about this shaded region sa ubos with the alpha and the beta. So we have the R1 theta and the R2 theta. So now in cylindrical coordinates, kaning shaded region nato diri is ato na siyang i-project na sa pataas. And that one, we will find the volume of this one. And to find the volume of this one, so you need to pick a box inside you need to pick a box, and in that box you pick a sample point. Okay, so you pick a sample point to find the volume. So same rasad ang pagkuha sa formula, and you apply the Riemann sum and then do the limit of the Riemann sum, you will arrive to the exact formula. So that's the intuition behind the triple integrals in the cylindrical coordinates. So here is the definition. The following are the conversion formulas for cylindrical coordinates. So since the cylindrical coordinates is just an extension of the polar coordinates, in converting, the same ra gyapon. We have x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta, and if you have given z, z is just equal to z. And x squared plus y squared is just equal to r squared. So same conversion lang. Ang nakakuan lang there is we have an additional z, and z is just equal to z. In terms of cylindrical coordinates, a triple integral is given by this formula. So we have r times the function. So that function is already converted into cylindrical coordinates, dz drd theta, where our u1 is our first plane and our u2 is the second plane, the back plane and the front plane. So our h1 theta here is the radius. So first radius, h2 theta is the second radius. The alpha, beta is your angle. Therefore, the region E over which we are integrating becomes this one. So here is the definition of this one. So consider this first example. So we need to evaluate 4xy dv, where E is the region bounded by z is equal to 2x squared plus 2y squared minus z, and z is equal to 1. Okay. So here, we have no idea kung asa siya nga plane makita ang atong region. So, yan na siya nga bounded by this one, bounded by this 2z. So first thing to do, we need to graph this z, diba? So the graph of 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 7, mao ni kaning red. Let's say kaning red cap. Okay, this red cap. And the z is equal to 1, this blue. And if you cut this red cap, the upper portion will be gone. Matanggal ni siya because we are looking for the region bounded by this red cap and the z is equal to 1. Silbi, your z is equal to 1 is the upper plane. And the below, this region below, the another plane below, kani siya, this one is our z is equal to 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 7. Diba? Pag-cut na to siya, kaning upper part matanggal. So, we are looking for this one na lang. Kani siya. So, ato siyang i-redraw. So, silbi, na siya taklob, no? Na siya taklob nga z is equal to 1. So, muna ni ang dagway niya. So, as you observe, circle, no? Circle. Therefore, we can say nga, the radius of this one is, wala pa tayo idea. Kay, need pa man nato ni siya i-convert. Kabalo na ta, nga iyang theta 0 to 2 pi. Okay, we need to establish the formula. From the sketch in the previous slide, it is clear that we'll need to integrate z first. And so, we'll have the following limits for z. So, our z is in the interval 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 7. So, this is our katong red cap. And 1 is the plane. Katong ni slice niya. Okay. D is the disk that caps the region. We can determine the equation of the disk by setting the two equations from problem statement equal. So we know that this one is equal to z and this one is equal to z. So parehara sila z. So set na to siya equal to determine the equation of our disk. So we have 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 8 divided by 2 both sides. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. That means this is the equation of our disk and the radius is 2. So na natin idea nga our radius is from 0 to 2. Therefore, we can establish the cylindrical coordinates. We have theta 0 to 2 pi. Our radius 0 to 2. And our z, now, anong nahimong 2r squared minus 7? Because ato naman siyang i-convert into cylindrical coordinates. So we can write this one as 2x squared plus y squared. And we know that 2x squared plus y squared is equal to r. Therefore, this one is just equal to r. That's why we have 2r squared minus 7 is less than or equal to z, less than or equal to 1. Therefore, nakita na nato, na-convert na nato sa cylindrical coordinates. Now, we can establish the formula. Diba? Gitagaan tag 4xy and we know x is r cosine theta and y is r sine theta. Then we have r dz dr d theta, where our dz with the limit integration 2r squared minus 7 to 1, our radius 0 to 2, and our angle 0 to 2 pi. Okay? Next, you distribute your r. So we have 4r cubed cos theta sine theta. Then integrate with the inner integral with respect to z. Then you have this one. Then evaluate when z is equal to 2r squared minus 7 and z is equal to 1. Therefore, you have this double integral. Distribute your 4r cubed. So you have this one. Next, you integrate with respect to r. So after integrating with respect to r, you evaluate when r is equal to 0 and r is equal to 2. Then you will arrive to this single integral. And we know that integrating cosine theta, sine theta takes a long process. So atong buhaton, you need to use the trig identity. The trig identity for this one is just equal to sine 2 theta. Because sine 2 theta, when we integrate this one, we will use u substitution. So the integral of this one is equal to negative 1/2 cosine 2 theta. Okay. Multiply to the 64/3, so we have negative 32/3 cosine 2 theta evaluated when theta is equal to 0 and to 2 pi. Therefore, the answer is 0. Okay, kuwara? So, kung convert yun nato siya. Naka-follow ra mo? Okay, last example. So, use a triple integral to determine the volume. Now, we're looking for the volume. So, the formula for the volume is just a triple integral dv. Below the z, 6 minus x, above the z, negative square root 4x squared plus 4y squared, inside the cylinder with x is less than or equal to 0. Now, first, we need to graph what is z is equal to 6 minus x. So, here's the blue plane. And our z is equal to minus square root of 4x squared plus 4y squared is the orange one. So, kaning cone sa ubos. Silbi, kung wala pa ni cylinder nga nitaklob, ang cone nimo, taas pa na siya, padung dara. Okay, ibutang na to, wala pa na ni taklob ang cylinder na to. And ang x squared plus y squared is equal to 3, mao ni siyang cylinder nato. And x is less than 0, this 1. So if we see the graph sa other angle, so we have this 1. Okay. Now, according to the problem, we need to determine the volume below this blue line, this blue plane, okay, below this blue plane, above negative 4x squared plus 4y squared, above this cone, above this orange cone, pero naa siya sa sulod sa akong cylinder with x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so we are looking for this one. So below sa kaninga blue and inside the cylinder. So silbi, kung ikat na ko nga plane, kani siya mawagtang. Then, inside man, so kanira siya. Akong pangitaon. Change tag color ha. So ang akong pangitaon is the volume of this one. Kani siya, because given man is x is less than or equal to 0. So half para siya, di na siya makalapas diri sa atbang because positive naman dia sa atbang. So kani atong pangitaon. Now, ato siyang i-redraw. Okay. So the redraw, kung ato siyang i-redraw, so mao na ni siya ang dagway. Nganong naa siya inani nga half? Because di ba mo man ni atong gidrawing in the first place. Natakluban siya sa cylinder. So mo to ang nahitabo dere kaning red nga part. Mo ning nani naa siya half because we are talking about x is less than or equal to 0. Nakuha ra ninyo? Naka-follow ra sa dagway sa tong graph? Okay. Now, observe that ang imong region no kay half semicircle, this one. Paingon ri. Semicircle. So this one. So muna ni atong pangitaon later on. Okay. Establish ta sa formula hinahinay. Since we are looking for the volume, then we will use this formula. And after that, we need to find the interval of our z. Okay, so our z is in the interval of this one. This one is the cone below, katong orange, and the 6 minus x is the upper plane, katong nihiwa, katong blue part. Okay, na kumpleto na ta sa atong z. Next, for this problem, we need to determine what is our d. Okay, so we have given that x squared plus y squared is equal to 3, and that's our cylinder. Okay, since circle man siya sa atong cylinder because naa siya sa form nga x squared plus y squared is equal to 3. Now, to determine the radius, you need to take the square root of that one. That's why our radius is 0 to square root of 3. Now, how about the theta? So, muna akong question karon. Pila akong theta sa kaning akong region? So, my theta is equal to unsa man? Anyone? Unsa akong theta? Tanaw ta nga region unsa tong theta ni. Recall ta sa polar coordinates. Anyone? How about, sige daw, John Antonio. Oh, sige. Pi 2 to 3 pi 2. Yes. Thank you, John and Rexel. So, this one is pi 2 and 3 pi 2. So, this is the interval of our theta. Now, kompleto na ta. Nanatay z, nanatay r, nanatay theta. Therefore, we can establish the formula. Okay, so here is the important data na need nato. Now, we plugging these limits into integral and converting to cylindrical coordinates. Since we are looking for the volume, this is formula. Now, so r dz dr d theta. So integrate with respect to dz. So we have rz and evaluate when z is equal to negative 2r and 6 minus r cosine theta. Therefore, we have this double integral. Then after that, evaluate with respect to r and integrate with respect to r and evaluate when r is equal to 0 and r is equal to square root of 3. So arrive to this single integral. Then after that, integrate with respect to theta. So from here, integrate with respect to theta, we have 9 theta to square root of 3 theta minus square root of 3 sine theta. So evaluated when my theta is equal to pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Then the volume sa atong gipangita nga inside the cylinder is equal to 4262 Joule. Nakuha ra ang triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates. So inanto ra siya. It's just extension of double integrals in polar coordinates. Wala na may question? Then we're done. Okay. So diri lang tataman coverage nato no. So for final I survive. Now the exam. Now the exam no. Okay, so our next meet tomorrow, so we're done naman sa atong kano. So ang topics no for coverage sa atong final exam is we have the start tag multiple integration gyud, the double integrals over rectangular region taman ta diri. Okay. Then next week mag quiz number 2 ta for final. So next week mag quiz number 2 ta. So the coverage is the triple integrals lang. Okay ra, no? Wala na may question? Okay, this one, this discussion, so I will just upload this sa atong Google Classroom. So if wala na may question, I hope nasabtan ra. So medyo confusing jud kay ang mga graph. So thank you everyone, and if wala pa may paniudto sa mo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. So, ugma, maasin maghatag ra ko ninyo activity. Thank you everyone, goodbye and amping mo.